It's 3 in the morning, the city sleeps, but on the 40th floor of a glass tower the lights blaze. A phone rings. This is the call that changes everything. On one end a CEO desperate for answers. On the other a 25-year-old investment banker running on caffeine and adrenaline. The CEO is betting his company on this call. The banker knows the numbers, the market, the game. He's about to orchestrate a move that will ripple through the economy. This isn't a movie. This is high finance, where stakes are massive and pressure is relentless. Forget your local bank. This is about global capital building empires and sometimes watching them fall. Investment bankers are the architects of the corporate world, connecting money to ideas. Their decisions decide which companies thrive, which get swallowed, and which innovations get a shot at changing the world. Imagine helping a startup become the next tech giant or advising a legendary car maker on a game-changing merger. This is the world of investment banking. It's a job that demands everything, but the rewards are unmatched. The story of finance is human drama. Fear, genius, the clash of titans and the rise of underdogs. Bankers are at the center, seeing the inner workings of the machine that powers our world. They speak the secret language of money and power. That 3 a.m. call, it's not just a job, it's an invitation to play the biggest game there is. The stakes are real, the impact is global, and for those who can handle it, the arena is always open. Welcome to the world of investment banking. Let's cut through the jargon. What does an investment banker actually do? Think of them as doctors for companies called in when a business needs to grow, survive, or transform. Their job isn't about savings accounts or car loans. It's about helping companies make massive financial decisions. Two main roles: raising capital and advising on mergers and acquisitions. Raising capital means helping companies get the money they need through IPOs or selling bonds. The banker connects companies with investors. Mergers and acquisitions, that's corporate chess. Bankers strategize billion-dollar deals that reshape industries. They spend days and nights building financial models, analyzing companies, and crafting persuasive stories. The best bankers turn mountains of data into compelling narratives. It's a world of numbers, but also of vision and storytelling. Investment bankers are the ultimate corporate advisors. Let's dive into the two big arenas: raising capital and M&A. Raising capital fuels innovation. Think Apple, Google, Tesla. Bankers sell a company's story to the world, especially during an IPO. They determine what a company is worth, pitch it to global investors, and set the price. Get it wrong, and millions are lost. M&A is where the drama unfolds. Bankers advise on takeovers, sometimes friendly, sometimes hostile. They identify targets, set strategies, and negotiate deals that can make or break companies. Their advice is critical. Should a company buy, sell, or defend itself? Bankers provide the analysis, strategy, and numbers to back it up. They're navigators in the stormy seas of corporate strategy. A good banker defines a company's legacy. A bad one can lead it to disaster. Let's make this real. Meet SolarDrive, a startup with a revolutionary battery but no money to scale. They call an investment bank. An analyst dives deep, builds a financial model, and crafts a pitch. The team convinces a private equity fund to invest $500 million. SolarDrive builds its factory, hires thousands, and their batteries go global. The banker didn't invent the battery, but she fueled its rise. Fast forward. SolarDrive is a huge success. Legacy Motors, a century-old car company, is struggling. They need to buy into the future. Their banker finds SolarDrive. Legacy has the brand, SolarDrive has the tech. The banker orchestrates a $20 billion deal. Months of secret negotiations, number crunching, and strategy follow. The deal is announced, front-page news. Legacy is transformed, SolarDrive's founders become wealthy, and the bankers walk away with a massive success fee. This is how investment banking shapes industries. Bankers don't just move money, they move the world. Every deal is a story of vision, risk, and reward. The stakes? Nothing less than the future of entire industries. That's the real power of investment banking. And it all starts with a single call. Investment bankers don't just work at places with bank in the name. The giants, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, handle the biggest deals and clients. Elite boutiques like Evercore or Lazard focus on complex, high-stakes M&A. These firms are the special forces of finance, small, agile, and effective. Many bankers move to the buy side, private equity or hedge funds, where they become the investors, not just the advisors. Private equity firms buy, improve, and sell companies for profit. Hedge funds use complex strategies to bet on companies' futures. The skills learned in banking are a golden ticket to the most powerful jobs in finance. Let's talk about the money. Investment banking is one of the most lucrative careers out of college. Pay is a mix of base salary and a huge annual bonus. First-year analysts in New York or London can make $120,000, $130,000 base plus a bonus that can double that. Total first-year pay? Up to $250,000. As you climb, associate, vice president, managing director, the numbers skyrocket. Managing directors can earn millions in bonuses alone. The system is pure meritocracy. The more value you create, the more you earn. The money is a way of keeping score in the world's most competitive game. But every dollar comes at the price of relentless hours and pressure. Why choose this life? It's not just the money. For many, it's the challenge. Competing at the highest level, every day a test of intelligence and endurance. In 2 years, you'll learn more about business than most do in a decade. You'll sit in meetings with CEOs, understand entire industries, and shape the biggest decisions in the corporate world. The skills are a launch pad for any career. The impact is real. Bankers fund innovation, create jobs, and drive economic growth. You help decide which ideas get a shot at changing the world. It's a bet on yourself, a trade of time and energy for extraordinary opportunity. It's not for everyone, but for those who thrive under pressure, it's the center of the action. The lights are always on, and the game is always on. Are you ready to play?